Good morning, dear guests, clients, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jean-Pascal Bobst, the CEO of Bobst Group. It's an honor for me to speak to you this morning for the opening ceremony of Eterna Open House. Welcome to Eterna. Welcome to Bobst Group. Since 2011, Eterna is an esteemed member of the Bobst Group family. Dear guests, thanks for your loyalty and trust. Eterna had a great success over the years. Today, you can witness the remarkable transformation of Eterna brand equipment supported by Bobst Group. To better serve our customers and ensure continuity in the relationships between you, Bobst and Eterna, we are pursuing a two-brand strategy in China. This year saw very important events for Eterna. A new corporate identity to position Eterna as a solid and reliable brand, simply good, allowing brand recognition. The acquisitions of Hongjing Machinery Technology. This is part of a strategy to successfully improve and continuously widen Eterna machine portfolio. With this partnership, Eterna will leverage the strengths of both companies to drive innovation in the industry and continue to grow the business at an international level. Hongjing will become the competence center for further growth of Eterna. All this is part of Bobst's new vision for the packaging industry, shaping the future of the packaging world. A new reality where connectivity, digitalization, automation and sustainability are the cornerstone of packaging production. It is our duty to deliver best-in-class machines and services, adding intelligence, software capabilities and cloud-based platform to make packaging production sustainable better than ever and an answer to your needs. This vision will be possible thanks to Bobst Connect. Currently, we are living in a very challenging time. We have to adapt, fight together, and use these difficulties as a springboard towards success because challenging times also mean opportunities. Thank you very much once again for being loyal supporters of Eterna, of Bobst Group Company. I look forward to seeing you in person again soon. Welcome to Eterna Open House. Welcome to Bobst Group.